Artoonza.
Hey there, backpack buddies and school supply superstars! Are you ready to draw the coolest cartoon backpack that's probably way fancier than the one you actually carry to school? Today, we're creating a backpack so shiny with glitter and paint, it might just make your real backpack super jealous. We're talking orange acrylic, sparkly gold glitter polish, and yellow paint drops that'll make this pack absolutely pop. Grab your markers, brushes, and imagination because we're about to pack some serious artistic fun into this adventure. Give us your like.
Aww, so cute.
Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. All right, it's time to bring out the orange paint. We're dropping those paint drops like a chef adding secret sauce to a masterpiece. Watch as we squeeze the dropper and splat! Give us a big thumbs up. Now grab your brush and swirl that orange everywhere like you're frosting the world's most colorful cupcake. This backpack is already looking juicier than a fresh orange at breakfast. Who knew art supplies could be this delicious looking? Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Time for the magic touch, gold glitter polish. This is where our backpack goes from cool to I'm too fancy for school level. Sparkle it up, artists. And now for the grand finale, my sunshine artists. We're bringing out the yellow paint drops, and this time we're making it extra bright. Drop, drop, drop those paint drops like you're creating tiny suns on your paper. Now brush away with all the energy of someone who just found out recess got extended. Smash that like button now. This yellow is so bright, you might need sunglasses just to look at your drawing. We're talking brighter than my future level of yellow. And just like that, our cartoon backpack is complete and ready to carry all your imaginary homework that definitely exists. Big kiss, superstars! Wait, don't go! Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.